dudes. I was in the middle of putting my daily makeup on today when this guy came. I got my Suva Beauty Bulging Box today. For those of you that don't know, the Bulging Box is a bunch of products for a really low price. It was like 50 bucks, and it ended up being like well over $200. So I've already done my unboxing because I'm filming on my phone, and I'm using my phone to look up the price to kind of see what the whole value of my box is. So obviously I got the saffron palette in my bulging box. I picked that one. If you open it up, the colors are really cool looking, very warm tone. I don't really wear a whole lot of warm tones, but I did need a palette for some eye colors that were easy for me to wear and safe for work. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of these for you. This is coriander. It feels nice. That's pretty. And we have saffron. Ooh, I like that one. Cinnamon. That's pretty too. Paprika. I actually picked this palette because of this color. Turmeric. Nice. Ginger. That's kind of just a white matte, doesn't really show up very well. It's alright. Clove. That's nice. Star anise. Sarso. Very cool. I like those. Alright. So that's what we got right there. I really actually can't wait to play with these, not like a kindergartner, and put them in my daily rotation. Be cool. Alright, so that is the saffron palette that I got. That is $35 on the website. They're sold out right now. Last I checked, they're sold out. So if you want it, wait for it to get restocked again. I like it so far. What else did I get? I got 4 of the Moisture Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I'm really liking this color right here. What is this? Imagination. I'm a sucker for dead roses, so let's try it on here. That's really pretty. That feels nice too. So that is one dip. I like it. Let's try out the other colors. This one is Abstract Thought. Kind of pink for my taste, but not a huge deal. We'll see what it looks like. Ooh, that's not bad. I like that. I might actually wear that. I can dig it. Alright. What's the next one? Sphinx. I actually really like these dark vampy colors too. Surprise. Let's see what this guy looks like. Okay. Second dip. Now I am wearing makeup already, so it has to go over top foundation and stuff. I like that color, it's pretty. And then this next one actually looks really interesting. It is Strange. And it's kind of like an orangey color, which I actually don't have any of. So let's see what this guy looks like. Ooh. I like that a whole lot. It's like a pumpkin, sort of, kind of. I can dig it. So these guys on the site retail for $18, so I just got 4 full-size $18 lipsticks, and the colors are all really freaking cool and really different, which I really appreciate. Let's see what else I got. Ta-da! These are the Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, and this goes for I think $26 on the website. And this is Trust Fund, and I don't really use liquid highlighters, at least I've never used them before. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna put this guy. You go here. Do I have any pink fingers? No. Okay. I'll work with that. It's just a formula I haven't worked with before. Let's see what it looks like on my horns. This is my cleanest finger. Ooh. So I've seen people like mix these in eyeshadows, mix them in their foundations, and it looks really pretty. It's just something I've never really worked with before, so I'm excited to give it a shot. Looks nice. I like it. Okay, what else did I get? Alright, so I got 3 brushes. And I am a huge fan of brushes, so I'm actually really excited about these. I got the 460, the 530, and the 350. Super excited about that. I'm never upset about getting brushes because I don't really have a whole lot of them. What else did I get? This I'm actually super excited about. So I've been wanting to get stuff from Suva Beauty for a really long time, but every time I went to go buy something, some dumb shit happened, like, oh, I needed an oil change, or fuck, I have to pay my rent. So I never really got around to buying them, but I've always wanted to try the Hydra liners. I really want to get the neon ones, but I got 2 of these guys in the bulging box. Super excited about it. We got Luster Lilac, which is like a chrome purple, and Blue Steel, which is a chrome blue. So these are water activated eyeliners, and since I have brushes right beside me and a cup of water, I'm gonna put them on my face. Okay, let's do Blue Steel first. So if you haven't heard of Suva Beauty, they are a smaller brand, Canadian based. They closed their PR to like the big time influencers where they would just send them all kinds of stuff in hopes that they would review them, and they said, fuck it, let's do a big grab box for our regular customers. They put it on sale for like 50 bucks, and then at random people got all the stuff that they got, and then there was a possibility that you could get a new item not released yet for review. It does not look like I got that item, which is totally fine. I'm super excited about what I did get. This is Blue Steel. Ooh. a lot. It's pretty. So what the bulging box was is a really good way for people who want to try a lot of stuff from a brand but maybe don't want to pay full price and possibly get some items that they don't like, colors they don't like, stuff that they won't really use, which is what really interested me about the bulging box. Is I paid $50 for it, and total it ended up being over $200 worth of stuff. These guys go for $14 a pop on their website, and then these brushes go anywhere from $12 to $15 on their website. So I got a full-size palette, I got 4 lipsticks, I got some highlighting drops, I got 3 brushes, and I got some of the hydroliners, which I've been dying to try anyway. So I think it ended up being around $201 was the overall value for my box. Some more water. Alright, and let's try the lilac luster. See what this looks like. Super excited. So I am a huge fan of small companies, indie businesses. Indie makeup is actually what made me fall in love with makeup and make it a little bit more than a hobby. So anytime I can help them out, or you know, buy stuff from them and help their business grow, I do. It just sucks when you have limited funds. Someone like myself, you don't have a big booming YouTube channel where you can get and sample a bunch of things for free. So you have your old reliables that you just purchase time and time again, and then you miss out on really good brands like this, because I'm really liking everything so far. Ooh. That is super pretty. I really like that. Okay, so since the lipstick has dried down, it is a matte. It feels really, really nice. It doesn't feel dry or cakey. The hydroliners, I mean, they look awesome. I can't wait to actually put them on my eyes, and I cannot wait to put these eyeshadows, the lipstick, and everything through my 16-hour wear test. I do work 12-hour shifts, so on a work day, I will normally have makeup on my face for about 16 hours, so I can't wait to put these guys to the test and see how it comes out. I'm super thrilled with the Suva Beauty Bulging Box. I absolutely love everything that I got, and I just really hope that they can get out there, branch out, and a lot more people can try the brand and help support local businesses, small businesses, and really get the word out there, because I think this is fantastic. That'll do it for me. I did not get the mystery item, like I said, but I am looking forward to watching everybody else's videos, and I hope I get to see somebody who got one of their mystery items, because I really can't wait to see what it is. I'm super excited about it. So if you want to come back at some other time and watch me be an asshole about makeup and just play with it like a 4-year-old, then come back some other time. I don't really have an upload schedule yet, because this is my first video. But I'll try to upload as much as possible. I'm a mom, I work full-time, I'm in grad school, so this is just what I do for fun and for some stress relief and just some peace and quiet and peace of mind, and it's fun. Alright, thanks guys. Thank you, Suva Beauty, and have a fantastic day. Be kind, rewind. Don't forget your sunscreen, and like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.